with the Dallas DIYs, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make two types of gemstone soap. The first one is already on my website and it's called Fiery Sunset Savon. The second one I'm going to be calling Unicorn Palooza Savon and will be on my website if everything turns out good because I've never done this before. Now, let's get started. Some things you'll need to get started are a bowl and a spoon, food coloring, some silicone molds, clear glycerin soap, as well as some glitter and a cutting utensil, as well as some alcohol spray and scent. Now, let's get DIYing! For the first step, you're going to want to take your glycerin and cut it into 4 cubes. Once the cubes are in your bowl, you're going to want to microwave in 30-second increments. I put the mixture in for a minute and it's boiling hot. So what you're going to want to do is give your mixture a quick stir and then evenly divide it between 4 molds. I'm using heart molds because that's what I had on hand. Fill it about 1/8 of the way up. And then you're going to want to add 1 drop of food coloring in 3 of them and then put each of your 3 colors in the last one. And then mix. And put it in the freezer to cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now that our heart soaps have solidified, we're going to want to pop them out of their molds, which is pretty satisfying. Now I'm going to take my cheese cutter and cut our hearts into tiny shards that go inside of the gemstone. Now that we've cut up all of our heart soap, we're going to want to mix all the colors together and then put it into the gemstone mold. You are going to want to take 2 scoops of your shards and put them into your gemstone molds. Now we are going to want to cut up 3 cubes of glycerin and put it in our bowl and then put it in the microwave for about 30 to 35 seconds. You're going to want to give your mixture a quick stir, then add some glitter. I like to use iridescent or holographic. And then add 1 to 2 drops of scent. And give that a quick mix. You're going to add in 2 sprays of alcohol to get rid of the bubbles. Here we go. Mix that in, and then pour it into your molds. Now that we've finished making the Fiery Gemstone Soap, what we're going to want to do is start with the unicorn ones. You're going to want to start with 4 cubes of glycerin, put it in your bowl, and this time I'm only going to put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. You're going to want to give this a quick stir too. Since there are 6 colors in the rainbow, at least we're using 6 colors, you're going to want to divide your mold evenly into 6 different molds. Add 1 drop of food coloring for every color in the rainbow and then pop it in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Once your donut soaps have completely hardened, you're going to want to pop them out of the molds and cut them into shards just like you did for the hearts. These look super cool. It's a harm we have to cut them up, but you gotta do what you gotta do. They kind of look like giant lifesavers, don't they? Comment down below what you think they look like. Now you're going to want to cut them into shards. OMG, these turned out amazing. Now we can put them into the gemstone mold. Since this is the first time I'm doing it, I'm going to start with the red, well, this is basically pink, at the tip. And then for the next one, I'm going to start by putting purple at the tip and working my way up the rainbow. Now we're going to want to add the clear glycerin over it. For this one, I'm going to use cotton candy set and iridescent glitter. Now I'm going to pop the other gemstone out of the mold so that you can see how it turned out. Pink. Ooh! Which one do you think turned out better? Personally, I like this one more, but this one is also super cool. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. These Rainbow Gemstone Soaps will also be available to purchase at Adele'sDIYs.com. I think I'm going to call them Over the Rainbow because they're more rainbow than unicorns. See you next week. Bye!
Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up